Okay, wait.
Hey guys, today's the last day.
Look into my eyes and show me adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life it hits the spot.
Hey guys, today's the last day of DC right now, and we're heading home tomorrow, and then we're gonna stop at Memorials. But we got FBI hats, but we're on like lockdown right now because there's a tornado warning and it's really bad. Here's Aruthra, here's Nishita, and then we have Emily. We're sitting in a circle right now because we're not allowed to get
Hey,
up.
I put on a Make America Great Again hat.
Seriously. There's Nishita, Sonika with the FBI. There's Olivia.
Oh, you're taking a vlog?
Here's Sri. There's Nishita.
Oh, what is that?
Oh my god. Okay then. There's, you know her.
I was trying to play rock, paper, and I can't play like rock, paper. Yeah.
What the heck? Okay, so we're on lockdown right now, and it's kind of scary. But we're like watching The 100 right now, so. Okay, let's play a game let's play a game so we can watch on the way home. No, never have I ever. Yeah. So, okay. Five fingers.
Okay.
If you've done something, you have to put it down.
Obviously.
Yeah. No, she put up another finger.
Yeah.
Okay. And you can't like target it towards people.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, I can.
Try
Well,
me.
no, you can't. No, you can't. You have to do it. Yeah. Don't target.
Never have ever need a like specific thing.
Yeah. Don't do that stuff.
I never like straighten my hair.
Oh, she's a vegetarian.
Oh, wait, she don't know.
Those two are vegetarians.
Wait, what about? I don't care.
That doesn't seem like vegetarian.
Okay, now we're gonna go and play Never Have I Ever.
I don't care.
You're 2 hours. You're elevated from the ground. You don't care? Okay, that's good.
It looks like you're taking a video.
I'm not.
She's not. She's checking the time.
Here,
So
let me check
obvious.
my
How do you check the time like that?
Yeah. Why don't you?
I'm sorry. Oh my god, that's a funny joke. That's actually really funny.
I know. What are you doing? I'm not even taking a video, you
I
idiot.
was just putting my hand up there.
Okay.
Just casually, you know. Just continue.
No, just answer the question. Okay.
Oh, what is that?
No, you're annoying us.
Maybe she's getting feisty.
Oh. Why did you touch it?
Too feisty. Oh Jesus! Yeah, I know. Stop. That one. This one, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I think I do.
Yeah, but
I'm done.
I can see you recording.
She's really not.
Then what are you doing?
You can do whatever you want. Put your hand right there.
Who else just goes like this? This is what you're doing. Imagine that Arthur is me, okay? And I'm Misha. I see. Oh,
I'm just checking the time. Don't worry. I'm sorry about that.
it's all the way over here. Okay, so I'm really mad at
Who run? Just run? What's up, guys? FBI in the house. FBI, open up.
Okay, I'm just being weird now.
My name's me.
Oh, what happened to my hair?
Dude, that's a vlog, not a mirror. Hey guys, back at it with the oh, hey there. So
I guess I'm gonna blank out.
Watch, Misha.
Hey, I can see you there. Okay,
Okay, wait, let me set
hey guys. So today is your daily daily dose. Hey, jinx. Okay,
daily dose
of
of medicine. Get it?
Dose of Arthur and Nishita. What happened? I'm really so spiky.
Why do I look like this?
I don't know.
Why do you look like this?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Why do I look like an idiot? I look like a potato.
How do I do it? I'm just kidding. She's an avocado. She is an avocado.
Want to play eyebrow games? So
Okay, we're done there. I'm watching Sonika. Oh my god, the sighting though.
I did not know she did that.
Got it.
All right, before we exit the bus, I'm going to push the trash can back around. I'm going to come back with that. Empty out. Excuse me. Empty out your side bags and look around. We haven't not done a, we've done about a B minus, C plus on sometimes picking up the areas around the bus. We don't want it to smell overnight because we're going to be on the bus a long time tomorrow.
Hey guys, we're in the hotel room right now. We're about to start getting ready for the dance. But no, we're not actually, so.
Hi.
Bye. What's a mukbang? Do you all know what a mukbang is?
You just sit still on it.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Okay, then flip it over.
No.
Does anyone want to go?
No! What?
No, don't try to. I don't want to be long.
Yogurt?
I said, does anyone want to go bar?
A granola bar? Yeah, I do.
I'm gonna finish Arthur.
You're gonna finish
Family size. Isn't it like stomach concept?
You sure?
Oh, I have an idea.
Why is the mic turned off? Oh my gosh, turn it on, please.
She realized so late. I turned off in 10 seconds.
It took us so long to realize it.
Oh, that was funny.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Oh man, she's here. That wasn't me, yours. It was all.
I finished the cheeses.
It was Sanjana.
Dude, seriously?
No.
Okay, good. You did. I'll protect the shirt.
Can my cheeses?
Man, I'm getting this all on tape.
Say it's all gone.
Hmm?
That's all gone.
Say it's all gone?
Sanjana, you made all the Cheez-Its? Sanjana, oh my god.
Hide the bag! Alice, hide the bag! Shut up, hide it somewhere.
You're hiding it somewhere?
No?
No.
Of course not.
Yeah, we're not. God, you realized.
I honestly think these leggings
Oh my
match
god.
these these leggings.
What about it?
and
No,
this
no.
It looks good. Oh, shut up. No. I think it looks good with this.
What the heck? Why'd you turn off this light?
Oh, shut up.
You look like a 2-year-old.
Does Susan look like a 2-year-old?
Yeah. Your fashion like advice.
Dude, I've been recording this entire time.
Hey.
You know when I scared you in the bathroom when I turned off the light? Yeah, I was recording that too.
Are you but I like this.
Where are the Cheez-Its, Sanjana? Did you?
You hit it. Didn't you?
No, we
They're
didn't.
actually all gone. Yeah, I helped her too.
That's just sad, huh?
Okay, wait. What
Hey guys.
Hey.
Bye, guys.
Oh wow, Misha, where you going?
Wait, I'm not back. Okay, la.
Oh.
So there's this guy singing Dippin' Dots.
Ready, Dave?
Dippin' Dots, Dippin' Dots, Dippin' Dots, Dippin' Dots, Dippin' Dots, Dippin' Dots.
Arthur, sing along.
I got that on tape.
not me at Claire's. Showing off.
I don't know.
We love Claire's.
Oh my god.
But don't get JoJo's.
This person's name.
That's Penny. That's Penny. Give her to me.
Penny the Panda.
Hey, it's Alvin. Excuse you.
It's Penny. You're breaking my cookie.
I like Penny better.
That's you extreme rating.
Yes. It was Penny. I'm gonna borrow. I ran out of mine, so.
No, you didn't. It's in our room.
I only have sunflower seeds left. Only exposed, bro.
Hey, can I snatch him some?
Dippin' Dots. Yeah, I don't care.
Dip and down.
Did you guys have chocolate chip?
Yours was actually bigger than ours, though.
It really is.
I feel like my favorite is coming to art.
And we have such a big mess.
No, Tree and Emily, they both don't know how to fold their clothes and put them back in their bag. No, and so the stuff is merged into one big giant pile.
Oh, damn.
It's sitting like over there.
It's hilarious.
We do that to
She's not in yet.
Can you guys make Arthur promise that she won't turn off the light?
I have soapy fingers on.
I have soapy fingers on. Why are promising?
Watch your face!
Oh, yeah.
Watch your face!
Well, you're so annoying. Oh, that was me. That was literally her. I was washing my
I caught that on tape. It was her.
If I come back one more time.
Don't do it, guys. Go.
Well, Emily called me.
Don't do it.
She's probably wondering where we are. We just left her.
Wait.
You're turning off my light too. That was her.
I got it on tape. That wasn't Aruthra.
That was literally not me.
That was Aruthra. I'm gonna watch the camera for
That was
later.
Okay, I'm actually gonna go. I'm in a room.
Guys, she believed it's Arthur.
Oh no.
One person do it, I'll do it.
Indulgent trail. Like, maybe that's what I just want to shop.
I'm just trying to wash my face.
You're trying to wash your face. Well, you're the one who turned off the light.
Yeah, I kind of did.
Oh my god, Cora!
No, I turned it back on. I turned it back on. Don't worry.
No, you didn't.
You liar. You turned it off.
Oh.
Stop. That's way too close up for my own good. Ow.
Oh yeah, they're busy at the moment.
When is she done, Arthur?
Yeah. Arthur's really busy.
I need to wash her face. I know, I'm good.
I'm sorry. I'm not even doing it.
Just you wait. There might be a fire starting soon.
We should put this on like YouTube and watch it go to Ellen. Because you don't be like, oh my god!
No, and Ellen turns to roast her and she'd be like,
I have never met such a young lady who was afraid of a bathroom like.
no, ready for
Talking? I don't know.
Shut up, Nishita!
Should I speak this cast page? Turn on the light.
Jungkook would not be proud of you. Why are you on the floor?
What are you doing, Misha?
No, don't do that. Okay, you turn off.
Are you straightening your hair?
Fire's ahoy! get up. Misha, really get up. Misha, get up. Watch it.
Hurry up! Oh yeah, do that. No!
Nishita, hurry up! I will say bye, let's go.
Nishita. Are we ready? We will.
We checked the torpedo, it didn't work.
I video proof. Yeah, you think that liar?
Really, Nishita.
She's just smacking the corner. No, look, when she lies, her eyes go halfway. She's lying. Her eyes are halfway. Look at that.
They look pretty full.
No, it's okay. You can have it. I'm never going to put it.
They look pretty big.
What the heck? Yeah, but it was an Arthur. And why haven't you changed? But
I wouldn't.
So what were you doing all this time?
were you doing number 2?
Where's Emma? I was doing one. But I don't want to throw the paper inside when I can't see.
Throw the paper into the sink.
Ew.
You know, sink outside.
Doesn't it do a bad job?
I'm sorry, Miss Perfect Olivia.
Yeah, you did me.
Oh my lord. Legit, whenever I do Olivia's like,
Out of here.
ew.
I wonder why.
Bye, I'm out. Bye.
Please, let's get it out.
Bye-bye.
Ellen, notice me, okay?
Please put this on all your Snapchats.
Get me on the Ellen show. Oh. Hey, Ellen. I'm your biggest fan. Oh, this is even the real soap. Where's the real soap?
What do you mean real soap?
Oh my god. This is acne wash. I want hand wash, not face wash.
Oh my god!
One more time and I'm actually going to snap. And you don't know what happens when I snap, because I'm going to be like, snap, chat.
We're all going to just leave you in the room.
Yeah,
Nishita.
I'm just going to stay inside the bathroom. That's my house.
Now.
Oh.
Wow.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to eat some, wherever it is.
You're going to eat gummy worms?
I'm just going to eat some cameras.
Oh yeah. Yeah, boy.
Oh my god.
I found some bathroom, so I just throw it outside the room. The door's open.
Just throw it in the hallway.
No, seriously, no. That's a good dress. No, seriously. No. Seriously, no.
I'm just kidding.
You're good. Are you eating? Yeah. Notice me, Ellen.
Why do you keep saying notice me, Ellen?
So I like Ellen.
Okay.
Why are you filming me eat?
Because you get uncomfortable. It's my favorite thing. This is where we sleep, you idiot. I'm so sad I didn't get that on film.
Snatch.
I'm gonna wear a dress with leggings. You can say that you're still in your pajamas. Shut up. I'm gonna wear
I need to go to the bathroom.
Oh, I'm gonna change this side.
Then you just left it recording. Like,
Oh, God.
does that?
Hey guys, so I think I would add this little segment of what actually happened after I ended the video in the previous clip of us in our old clothes. But I think I need to say that we we were on such a big time crunch because after that we literally spent the rest of the time cleaning up our room, and we had to be down there by 6:50, and I think it was 6:30 when we started getting ready. And here was the agenda that we literally had to do. We had to do makeup, hair, getting dressed, washing our face, and then of course I had to shave, which was just great. And so what happened is that after they went to their room, we played around. I went to their room, I saw what they were wearing and stuff and everything. Then we came back and we realized we were on a time crunch, so we literally got dressed so quickly. Then we had to do our hair, and for hair I had to straighten my hair in 5 minutes, and it was not good. It wouldn't straighten, so Sanjana had to help me. So Sanjana helped me straighten it, and then we straightened a little bit of Sanjana's hair, and then Nishita and Aruthra were just now I don't know what to do with my hair, I feel so underdressed. So then they were doing their hair. While Sanjana was doing my hair, I was doing my makeup, and then Sanjana forgot to do her makeup, so I told her to stop. She did her makeup, and while I was shaving, I was dry shaving, which was great because if you don't know, you're not supposed to dry shave, otherwise you start bleeding and you get rashes, which is exactly what happened. I bled in several different spots. It was so bad, and I started bleeding, and then we were freaking out, what the heck do we do now? So we were grabbing napkins, putting water on my legs. It was crazy because I was wearing a dress and I forgot to shave the night before. So it was just really crazy because we were just what the heck do we do? So we were just the heck do we do now? Because it was just a complete mess. So basically after that we were just okay, gotta get ready for the dance and go down. So we did our makeup, we fixed everything. We were late as always, and we had to get separated. So 3 of us sat as one table. We had assigned spots, no one could save us seats because the teachers made us sit somewhere. So our group split up. 3 of us went to this table. We went to this table, the other table, me, Arthur, and Nishita, and then Sanjana went with Sanju. Don't know if you guys know her, but she's subscribed to me, so hey Sanju. Went to Sanju and Sohini's table, and then so we ate dinner. Dinner was okay. I wouldn't say it was the best, and I thought there was bacon in the mashed potatoes when it was the potato peel. I scared everyone, and I didn't even get to have mashed potatoes either, so that was great. But after that, since our table was on the dance floor, they had to fold our tables up, and so then after that we just danced, which will be a clip of this showing at the end of the video. But yeah, we danced. It was so much fun. My hair got messed up, so there was really no point in straightening it, and then it was really fun. We danced for not ever, what did I just say? We danced for a pretty long time, and then after that we went up to our hotel room, and we were 8 flights up, so it was a lot of walking, and my shoes broke, and I had blisters on the bottom of my feet. That was even worse, and my legs were burning so bad because of the dry shaving. After we went to the room, I FaceTimed my mom and my dad and my brother, and we FaceTimed, and then after that I searched up ways on how to make your legs not burn, but I was the last one to shower. So here's what actually happened afterwards. We realized we didn't take any photos. First Nishita went to shower, then it was Sanjana, and then we were doing hair. I haven't even showered while Arthur was in the bathroom. Nishita was being weird. If you guys saw the picture of Nishita's head in a towel, that's basically what we were doing. And while Arthur was in the shower, we were watching the video that I made for Farewell 8th grade, which is not the video up, it's a different video that I made, which will not be going up. Because actually that video, why I reposted it, it got a copyright claim. So then after, basically what happened is that after we did that, we after Arthur took a shower, it was my turn, and I didn't want to take a shower because my legs were gonna burn, and this is at 12 in the night, 12 a.m. and everyone was up. After that we searched up ways, and it was tea, and you know how hotel rooms have tea. Yeah, they had tea. So what Sanjana did was she put a little bit of water and she just rubbed it on my legs. It burned so badly. If you ask them how much I screamed in the shower, it was bad. It was so bad. And I had to wash my hair too, but it didn't take that long. So after I came out, I just put on random piece of clothes that were so bad. It just was not good. I don't know what I put on. But if you are Sanjana, Arthur, and Nishita, you guys know what actually happened instead of like the one I'm saying right now, because I had to revamp it a little bit because it's a little like it has too much tea. Too much tea that you don't need to know. Anyways, so I went out and we did our hair for a full 30 minutes. It was sad. It was so sad. And then we did our hair. I got dressed, and then Sanjana just slept like on the second bed where we ate our own food. We don't want to wake her up because she was already in a cranky mood. No offense. She was already in a mood of sleeping, and we don't want to wake her up. So we just went to bed. And it was crazy because like we slept like that. Like no one stayed awake. It was crazy. Like everyone was sound asleep. And then we just went to bed. But overall, it was so much fun. We were like so sad. We were like, I was so sad that it was our last day. And then the next morning, Sanjana woke up first, woke us all up and asked us why she was sleeping on the bed. So we had to practically explain that to her on why that was that. Which was kind of sad because we made no one sleep on that one. Because that was where we ate all of our food. So sorry, Sanjana, if you're watching this. But yeah, that's what happened. But it's actually pretty long now that I think about it. It's not supposed to be this long if you're wondering. But also, yes, it was tornado. We had like a gigantic tornado warning. And then we were on lockdown. For lockdown, what happened is that we had to go down like to the lowest floor of the Newsuem. Not museum. It's like right there. Okay, moving on. We had to go down to the bottom floor, and it was like serious because there was like partially a tornado outside. And when we went outside afterwards, like practically half the streets were like flooded, like pretty deep. It was like an inch or so. Like you guys not think that, oh, that's not that deep, but it would have been really dangerous to drive. So we were pretty scared. We were like texting all of our parents and stuff like, okay, there's a tornado warning here. Might come late tomorrow because it'll probably rain tomorrow too. No, we didn't. We wanted to come late so badly. Like we had Chipotle for lunch and we were already in Ohio. No, I think that was for dinner. That was for dinner. We were already in Ohio. We were really sad. We reached home at, like we went to school at 8 and then I reached home pretty late. I was so sad. Like none of us cried, but like I cried afterwards because I was like devastated. I was like so done. I was just like, the heck, like this is the last time, like forever, like it's never gonna be the same. Like it's 8th grade DC, like that was the end. So today was the last full day that we had of DC, and tomorrow is when we were driving home. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications because I know what you guys do. Yes, I'm creepy and I'm a stalker.
Stop that. See, now you can't get me that in front of the TV.
Why, if you insist. You look so funny.
Oh, God.
I swear I live